Mamimiss kita, Bea. You're so clingy right now. I'm gonna miss you. Come here, come here. Kiss ate. Clingy si Bea ngayon. Kasi I'm gonna leave for 3 weeks. I'm gonna be seeing her after 3 weeks. Bye, Bea. Are you gonna miss me? Say yes.
Miss.
Oh, Bea's gonna miss me. Clingy kami today because aalis ako. I'm going to Negros. And I'm gonna leave her here for 3 weeks. Say ate. Ate, I'm gonna miss you. My baby. Bea? Dungor dito. Bea? What are you doing? What are you doing there? Lolo, hindi ka kapanaog. Lolo. Alam mo. Jump. Dance. No, Jan. Bye-bye, Bea. Bye-bye, Bea. Okay po. Bea! What is that? What are you holding? What are you holding? Alarm clock. Bea. Alarm clock. Smile. Smile. Say cheese. Ah, look your bed, oh. Messy, oh. Messy, baby. Sleep ka na. You sleep na. Higda na, higda. 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 Paano ka galing ka higda? Puros na toys, imo bed. Say, ate! Ah, wala na. Gamo-gamo na imo bed.
Great in school. I'm so happy to see how you're growing and learning. I'm so proud of you. You're a great kid.
Ay, baby, oh. Baby.
Friends. Bye, friends. Bye, friends. I'll see you again real soon.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Feel afraid, I feel like crying. Sometimes you're sad. Big feelings. It's okay to have
Naku, ulo ko.
feelings. It's okay to be mad,
Kiki.
sad,
Kiki.
frustrated,